Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to change your passcode on iPhone. So let's just go the very basic steps. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your settings, and then you can now see these options here. Just scroll down and look for the Touch ID and Passcode option. This one. And then enter your passcode, your current passcode. Okay. Then after that, scroll down again and look for the change passcode option. This one just below the turn of passcode. And then you will be asked to enter your old passcode or your current passcode, and then enter your new passcode. Okay. Just type out your new passcode and then verify your new passcode. Okay, let's just wait for a few seconds till our new passcode will be set up. Just always remember, guys, to use a strong but unforgettable passcode so that you will not be having any problem in the near future. Okay, so and that's it. That's how you can change your passcode on iPhone. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.